Okay, making progress. Hey news friends, back with another video. Today we're going to be talking about Fitbit's new rumored smartwatch. Wareable published new leaked photos of a Fitbit smartwatch that's in the works. Slated to be announced this spring, Fitbit is trying to appeal to the masses with this new watch. They're also trying to appeal to the ladies as well. After disappointing sales of the Ionic, they're trying to produce a watch that's not so dialed in to just fitness gurus. With a smaller face and more modern rounded edges, I like the new modern look. The Blaze and the Ionic are super boxy looking. That super boxy look is pretty plain, boring, and hard on the eyes. This new watch will run the same Fitbit OS software as the Ionic. Rumors are that it could be called the Blaze 2. It'll also have the same SpO2 sensor to monitor sleep apnea. I think this is an important feature because a 2016 study showed that 1 in 5 adults have a mild sleep apnea. That's about 42 million Americans. Sleep apnea can also lead to other diseases such as heart attack, stroke, diabetes, etc. I bet I have mild sleep apnea. I'm always tossing and turning at night. Maybe I should get this watch. Back to the watch. Unfortunately, it still won't have a GPS. You can, however, expect a lower price than the Ionic, currently priced at $300. I think from a business standpoint, being too niche market has hurt their sales, as revealed on the last earnings call. Considering how many overweight Americans are, the fitness niche market has to be relatively small compared to other niche markets. Depending how much more functionality this watch has over the Ionic, it could be a serious competitor to the Apple Watch 3. If they can get developers to develop meaningful apps for this watch, I think it'll be good competition for the Apple Watch 3. I think these apps will come in time, as Fitbit is still relatively new in the watch market. The question is, how fast can they get these meaningful apps out to help appeal the watch? That's their main point of appeal, especially because the watch isn't going to have GPS. Time is of the essence, especially because Fitbit isn't doing so well financially. Good luck to Fitbit. Hopefully this watch can create some good competition and keep them afloat. Are you in the market for a smartwatch? If so, which ones are you considering? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And remember, until next time, this is Nukem384 saying I'll see you when I see ya.